Today we're going to learn how to play the E minor 1-octave scale on the violin. So remember, with minor, we play a couple of different notes going up and going down. E minor is the same key signature as G major, and so you're going to have one sharp in the key signature, that is F sharp. And then going up, we also play C sharp and D sharp, but then going down, we play the natural, D natural and C natural, but we do still play the F sharp. The third note of the scale, which is different than your E major scale, is G natural. So in E major we would have G sharp, but in this one we just have G natural. Okay, so let's go over the fingering. For 1 octave, we start on our E on the D string, play our second finger F sharp, and then G half step, A, B, C sharp, high second finger, high third finger, D sharp, and then fourth finger E. Change your finger pattern. Going down, we go E, and then D natural, third finger, and then second finger for low second finger, C natural, and then B. Still normal G natural, and then F sharp. All together, it sounds like this. Let's go ahead and play it with a beat now. We're going to go 2 beats per note.